A P0106 code on your Ford Escape usually means there is a problem with the manifold absolute pressure sensor reading, and if a new air filter did not clear the code, your next steps are to clean the MAP sensor, hunt down a vacuum leak, or clean a carbon-fouled throttle body. The MAP sensor calculates the air pressure inside your intake manifold to help the engine computer adjust the air-fuel mixture. Over time, carbon and oil blow-by can clog the tiny sensor tip. You need to locate the MAP sensor on top of the intake manifold, remove the single retaining bolt, pull the sensor out, and blast it with a specialized mass airflow or electronic sensor cleaner. Once the sensor is clean and reinstalled, you have to rule out a vacuum leak. A cracked vacuum hose allows unmetered air into the engine, throwing off the pressure readings entirely and triggering that exact P0106 code. Take a close look at all the rubber hoses routing around the intake and listen for a distinct hissing sound while the engine is idling. Another major culprit for this code on an Escape is a dirty electronic throttle body. When carbon builds up around the throttle blade, it prevents the blade from closing fully, which disrupts the expected manifold pressure at idle. Remove the intake boot, spray throttle body cleaner onto a microfiber rag, and wipe away the thick black ring of carbon inside the bore. After performing these steps, you must clear the computer's memory to see if the code returns. Use an OBD2 scanner to erase the P0106 code, or disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes. Take the vehicle for a test drive to allow the engine control module to relearn the correct pressure parameters and confirm the repair is successful.